Good email marketing ideas that increase your subscriber base. Every business needs to reach a large audience with their sales pitch, but finding targeted readers can be difficult. Email marketing is an essential tool for getting your message to the masses, at least to those who are interested. Read on to find many great tips to help you launch your campaign. Follow up with contacts you meet at trade shows. Collect people's phone numbers when they stop by your table and call them within a couple of weeks of meeting them. Use the follow-up call to check in with your contact and ask him if he would like to receive your marketing newsletter by email. Slowly build your contact list. Start with those who have already appreciated what you offer and then move on to areas where you can engage your prospects. It can take a while to pick whom should be receiving your emails, but it'll be worth it in the end to build a reliable contact list. While online promotion is essential, don't overlook the opportunity to promote your mailing list offline. To build both new subscribers and potential clients, look for any opportunity possible to get the word out. Some great opportunities to build your business can be found at networking events, trade shows, conferences, and local gatherings. Be persistent with your email marketing messages. It can take as many as 20 emails to one prospect before you routinely have their attention. Try telling a good story through your messages. Hook them with a few messages and let it unfold over a series. Running contests that span several weeks are a good way to do this. Remember the importance of consistency. Use your logo and a standard color scheme in each email you send. Always use a legible font. By doing this, you begin to create brand recognition, and customers will look forward to your next message. Branding is an important method to increase your business reputation. It is important that your friendly form line is one that your subscribers will recognize. For example, do not have the CEO of your company sending the emails. The reader may not know who it is from and just delete the email. In the subject line, put your business's name. As long as you put the tips you've watched here into use, you will find that your email marketing campaigns will be effective and profitable. You'll be happy that you've put the effort into creating a plan when your sales explode. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.